Bam! Welcome to Mama D's Kitchen, where our mission and goal is to get the booty fatter and the tummy flatter. Today we're gonna be making low-fat, high-protein, and I mean protein-packed chicken taquitos. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so first off, let me tell you why it's low-fat. We are gonna use chicken breasts instead of rotisserie chicken, instead of dark meat. So we're doing this low fat. This is for my girls that are trying to get the tummy flatter. Chicken breast, thank me later. And we are gonna get Greek plain non-fat yogurt. We're gonna use this for our chili verde guacamole salsa, okay? And we gotta get our tortillas. We're gonna have our avocados for the guacamole. We're gonna get lime to beep beep. You're gonna wanna use garlic, tomatoes for dressing. We have our jalapenos to put inside of our guacamole. We have rábanos. We have cilantro. We're gonna use red onion. And you guys, don't forget, we want taco seasoning for our chicken meat. Are my favorite seasonings of all time. Chicken bouillon. Key to low-fat taquitos is the avocado spray. We are gonna fry our tortillas and the avocado spray, okay? No oil, do not use oil under any circumstances. Cumin, oregano, we have bay leaf. First off, we're gonna boil our chicken with some bay leaf. Come join me now. Bam! All right, we got our chicken breast here. For all of my skinny mini queens and kings, the key, chicken breast, less fat, which means less beer gut and more six-packy. We're going for six-packy this season, guys. All right, so get your chicken breast. We're going to boil it. Okay. Woohoo! Get bay leaf. Add some of these little suckers. Chum chum. We got our cumin. La la la. Oregano. Lee lee lee. And some chicken bouillon. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Now we're gonna let this boil, and then after we're gonna get it and we're gonna shred it up for our chicken low-fat, high-protein packed chicken taquitos. Spin, 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 spin. Bam! We're back through the magic of television and film. Our chicken is cooked. So we're gonna get 2 chicken breasts, right? And I think, look, if we can make it into a heart. Aww. Mama D loves you. Cute. Okay, so now you want to shred it. We want to get the chicken breast, shred it up so we can fill our taquitos up. Guys, the only thing getting shredded today is this chicken and your waistline. Yes! The little waistline going. Booty gains. Woo! We got the bootylicious high protein taquitos coming soon. Bam! Okay, let me tell you how we're gonna make this extra low fat. Instead of frying this with cooking oil, we're gonna get the avocado oil spray. You guys, non-fat. So boom, put on your pan, fry it up, breathe these out, and 1, 2, 3. Make sure they're covered. Boom. This will keep them while you're rolling it. It'll keep them easy to roll. Don't skip this. This will keep it easy to roll and they'll stay shut. Yeah, see how they are? We're gonna be able to easily roll our taquitos. Bam! Taco seasoning. Let's season the shredded chicken. Okay, we're gonna put the taco seasoning. I'm gonna put cumin in. Cumin is my favorite. I put that into everything I make. That's Mexican food. Oregano. And lemon pepper. Woo! And another sprinkle. Chicken bouillon. Now, we're just gonna mix it all up. And then we're gonna roll our chicken taquitos. You guys ready for the yummiest, delicious, titillatiness, scrumptious chicken taquitos? Okay, here are our lightly fried tortillas, okay? We're gonna get our chicken and we're gonna roll it, okay? Now, I have OCD, you guys. I'm gonna make sure that the chicken is evenly distributed throughout the entire taquito from end to end. Nothing bothers me when I eat the end of a taquito and it's all just crunchy shell. So I make it thick with chicken at the end of my taquitos. And then from there, I just add in the middle. Okay, so watch how easy it's able to roll. Look it. Without cracking your tortilla. Your tortilla. Look how tight. That is tight. We like it tight, guys. Ladies, we want it extra. Make sure it's extra tight, ladies. We're gonna put it inside of our air fryer. So that's how we're gonna do low fat. We're gonna put it in our air fryer to make sure that it's extra low fat. Ding, ding, ding. Roll it tight. Roll, stuff it. Roll it tight. Get it tight. Oh man. The taco seasoning's so bomb. Okay, we got our chicken taquitos ready, ladies. We're about to get the booty gains and the tummy flatter by air frying it. Do not fry it. You're gonna get your avocado spray, lightly spray it. We're gonna put it at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Halfway through, you're gonna spin them around and let the other side brown. Boom, and voila. Booty fatter, tummy flatter. Temperature 400 and start. Voila. We are about to make salsa de aguacate. The key ingredients, aguacate. Can you say aguacate in Spanish? If not, avocado. Okay, you're gonna get the avocado. You're gonna get your little blender. So you can put one large avocado or 2 small avocados. So I'm gonna put 2 small avocados and we're gonna make it spicy. So we're gonna add jalapeno. You can add serrano chili, chili de árbol, boom. Okay, so we're gonna add de-seeded a jalapeno, boom. We're gonna get a lime. Let's squeeze the lime in it. Ooh, squirt, squirt. Alrighty. Now we're gonna get a handful of cilantro. We're gonna shove this in there. Now, instead of the Mexican crema, you guys, we're gonna make this protein packed. So we're gonna add non-fat Greek yogurt, plain, 3/4 of a cup. That is adding an extra 16 grams of protein, okay? So we're gonna put this in. Gonna shove this in a little more. Boom. Personally, I like to add a little bit of the chicken broth to get juice in there. Salsa de aguacate. Now you're gonna add whatever seasonings you like. So we're gonna add salt. I like salt in my avocado. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of cumin. Again, I told you guys, I love cumin. I'm gonna put some lemon pepper. And a little bit of chicken bouillon. Okay. And here we go. Voila. Let's blend. Guys, ready? You have salsa de aguacate. Let's try it, you guys. Oh my God. This is a party in your mouth. The fact that it's high protein, you guys, remarkable. It's spicy, tastes like guacamole, and then it has the freaking high protein yogurt. You guys, thank me later. Seriously, you're gonna mark this for everything for the week. Voila! For the grand finale, look at these beautiful. I'm gonna show you how to make it look super authentic and Mexican. Get you some Mexican plates. It's gonna be on my Amazon, you can click on it. You're gonna get iceberg lettuce, and you wanna line the bottom of the plate with some iceberg lettuce, okay? You're gonna get taquitos, cross them over. I'm gonna pick 2 taquitos. Now we have the Mexican crema. You're gonna make a little hole in the top, okay? Because we wanna drizzle this. Look at how pretty the drizzle looks. Ooh. Over, okay? You're gonna add cilantro. You're gonna add tomatoes. Not avocados, guys. And then I always line it. Red onions are my favorite, you guys. So I literally line the whole top with red onions. Woo-hoo, look how pretty that is. Okay, so now, look, I got a little cute plate, bowl, whatever we call it, little dipping saucer. Okay, we're gonna get the little dipping sauce. Literally throw it in here. Voila. Okay, now if you're have higher fat available, you guys, so I'm on a low protein calorie deficit macros, so I'm not gonna eat the cheese, but you can add cheese if you're not in an extreme low calorie deficit. Boom. Okay, guys, now we're gonna do the taste test. Here we go, guys. Ready for the taquito? Let's get a whopping single. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's light, flaky, And it tastes really fresh and clean. Usually Mexican food makes you feel super heavy. Holy moly, you guys. Can't get any better than this. Love you guys.